Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video I'm going to be showing you some shortcuts to make your life easier on Davinci Resolve. The first thing you do is head over to keyboard customization on the left side of your screen, and here you'll see some keys that you can use to make your lives easier. And now what we want to do is to modify some of this. Some specifically is split clip, which what it does is it splits your clip. Let's just change this into something like D, which makes it easier. Assign that, and let's remove the other command that has this key to make to make it more convenient for us that it won't be mixing up stuff, right? So as you can see, I'm gonna close down. I'm gonna show you what you can do with this one. So if you head over to the middle and then press on D, it will split the clip in half. And that's just one of the shortcuts that I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna be showing you something more, other shortcuts. The second one that I want to show is the ripple delete edit, or like what it does is that this one, end to playhead. Let's just modify this to a key that would be much better. For example, like the open bracket over here. And what it does is that alright, so here I am. I'm gonna be doing it now using the command, and as you can see, it ripple deletes everything up to the playhead. So like where this is located, everything after it will be deleted. That's what it does. And the other one is like the opposite, which is start to playhead. And we just need to search up start to playhead and just place it with a key that up your preferred key. And what it does is that it deletes everything before the playhead. So let's just click on it, and as you can see, everything before it has been deleted. I also used the end to playhead there. And then something else now is the last one that I want to show is ripple delete. Of course, this one's very useful to a lot of video projects that you want to do. So all of this are mostly the same. So as you can see, if I split this and split it, and then like this one, just click on delete on your keyboard, and as you can see, it should ripple delete the two, which makes it like the gap in the middle would usually be there if you just delete the video, but if you use ripple delete, it's gonna force the left and right clips to stick together. That's it. That's how you add some amazing shortcuts for your Davinci Resolve to make your life easier. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.